Greater Chicago celebrates the contributions to the Society of Darshan Singh Dhalewal and Dr. Bharat Barai, the recipients of Pravasi Bharatiya Samman at Samarati Auditorium in Lemont, Illinois. Event is attended by many dignitaries. Indian culture. The Hindu Temple of Greater Chicago recently hosted a grand celebration in honor of Darshan Singh Dhalewal and Dr. Bharat Barai, esteemed recipients of the Pravasi Bharatiya Samman, India's highest civilian award for overseas Indians. The event held at the Samarati Auditorium in Lemont, Illinois, was a magnificent affair attended by numerous dignitaries, including the Consul General of India in Chicago, Somnath Ghosh. The Pravasi Bharatiya Samman is awarded by the President of India to individuals and organizations of Indian origin who have made significant contributions in various fields, enhancing India's prestige globally. Both Dhalewal and Dr. Barai have exemplified these qualities through their tireless dedication and outstanding achievements. Darshan Singh Dhalewal, a prominent businessman and philanthropist, has been a key figure in fostering Indo-American relations and supporting numerous charitable causes. Dr. Bharat Barai, a distinguished oncologist and community leader, has made remarkable contributions in the field of medicine and public service. He has also been actively involved in various cultural and religious organizations promoting Indian heritage and values.
I'm proud to be in the company of Dr. Brai. He's a wonderful friend for a long time. And he's like an elder brother to me. Anybody who's born have to work hard. I tell people work hard for a couple of years early in your life and enjoy the rest of the life. Other keep working all their life. So work hard and then get.
This is the story of little guys who work their way through going through difficulties, ups and downs, but at the end they realize that how many people have played part in their lives, and it's important to remind people that you have to be grateful to other people who have played part in your success, and try to be humble and giving to the rest of the generation and rest of the people surrounding you. In Lord Krishna said, Karinema Diskaraste, my flesh Ukadachana. We keep on working for last 40 years, irrespective of awards, no awards, because it is the fulfillment of your obligation, your humility to rest of the society, and we'll keep on doing. Awards may be inspiration to the younger generation that what can be done, what should be done, as our obligation to rest of the people who are not, many of whom are not as fortunate as we are.
In giving, we receive. These two gentlemen have been wonderful. They've seen the joy of giving and they continue to amaze me. I've known them for the last several decades. Very dedicated to the temple, will come and help us at the right time. I'm very proud to be associated with them, and I'm their chief.
The event at the HTGC was not just a celebration of individual achievements, but also a testament to the collective spirit of the Indian community in the US. It underscored the importance of cultural identity, community service, and the enduring bond between India and its diaspora. As the event drew to a close, attendees left with a sense of pride and inspiration to their communities and uphold the values that define their heritage.